फ्रेंड्स, योर रिव्यू सर के साथ में आपका स्वागत है। आज जो मूवी मैं रिव्यू करने जा रहा हूँ वो है वन ऑफ द मोस्ट टॉप मूवीज ऑफ रिसेंट टाइम्स एंड वन ऑफ द मोस्ट एंटिसिपेटेड मूवीज ऑफ 2016 एंड दैट इज शाहरुख खान्स फैन अंडर द यश राज फिल्म्स बैनर एंड डायरेक्टेड बाय मनीष शर्मा. So first things first, my quick take on this movie would be a 4.5 star rating. It's a novelty cinema. It's actually a 4 star, but for SRK's commendable performance, I give it a 0.5 star extra. So that is 4.5 star rating. This movie is about the obsessed fan and a flamboyant superstar, both played by Shah Rukh Khan. And believe me, he has maintained such a contrast between both the characters that at a point you feel, is it really SRK playing both these roles? Because he has maintained such a difference and such an awesome acting all throughout in the movie. And director Manish Sharma has made sure he has utilized SRK's potential acting skills to the core. So for all of you guys who have been missing the Chak De India wala, yeah, the Swadesh wala Shah Rukh Khan, I would say he's back with his core acting skills. And coming to the storyline, the first half is a joyous ride of a fan and his love for his superstar, and the second half is thrilling, and the climax is heart touching, and it will get you high on emotions. So my final verdict would be it's worth watch at theaters. It's not a mess. So walk into the nearest cinema halls and watch this movie this weekend.
उस स्टार नहीं है, दुनिया है मेरी। दूर से तो कच्चे वाले फैंस तालियां बजाते हैं, मैं तो गले लगा के
Now to quickly summarize the storyline, this movie is about a fan and his love for his superstar and the challenges that he faces to meet his star. And then when things do not happen as per his expectations, this love turns out to be obsession. And then he gets to do a lot of heinous crimes to defame the actor and destroy his stardom. But then he doesn't realize that he's doing heinous crimes. He just does it out of obsession. But then does the superstar Aryan Khanna, also played by Shah Rukh Khan, succeed in making the fan realize that what he is doing is a heinous crime? Or does the fan understand the superstar? And then what we get to see is an ultimate face-off between SRK versus SRK, that is the fan versus the superstar. And then who wins the ultimate face-off? Or is it about the compromise between the both? Is all the questions that will be answered when you walk into the nearest cinema halls and watch this movie.
पहले फैन स्टार के पीछे भागता था, अब स्टार फैन के पीछे भागेगा।
And now taking to the next segment, a few reasons to watch this movie. The first reason would be King Khan in the double role. That is a visual treat for fans as well as non-fans. Because as I earlier said, King Khan is back with his potential acting skills, like we saw him in Swadesh, Chak De India, My Name is Khan, and so on. So you can expect a lot of super awesome performances by SRK in both of his roles. And then coming to the second point, this movie is unlike those masala flicks or those typical entertainers. This movie is something unique and it will keep you to the edge of your seat out of curiosity. And editing and VFX has been great, so it's a great watch and a visual treat. Going to be, this movie is a kind of novelty cinema. Like I earlier said, this movie has no songs, but still it keeps you engaged. So if you're looking for a kind of novelty cinema, something different, something unique, then I think this should be your choice of movie. Then coming to the fourth point, if you are a fan of someone or if you yourself are a very big fan, then I think you can connect your feelings to Shah Rukh Khan as fan in the movie. So somewhere down the line, it gets your feeling connected in the movie. And then coming to the fifth point, even Salman Khan fans have a reason to watch Fan because Sultan Teaser is attached with Fan, and as well as Salman Khan is featured in the movie as a wax statue in the wax museum in a sequence at a sequence in the movie. And that's all for now. And then coming to reasons to not watch this movie, I would say I have no reasons to quote for not watching this movie. So I think book your tickets right now because they're selling like hot cakes, and watch this movie in the nearest cinema halls. And then coming to the final verdict of this movie is a worth watch at theaters, and I recommend it. It's a yo guarantee that you will enjoy this movie, and it's a pura paisa vasool movie. And with this note, this is Sunny Fernandez signing off. And before I sign off, as I always say, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, Your Productions, and find my written reviews at yourreviews.blogspot.in or yourviews.com. Thank you one and all guys. Let's meet up soon with my next review.